Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an intriguing topic to discuss. We're about to unveil a natural supplement that has garnered significant attention for its potential to assist with weight loss. It's none other than Garcinia Cambogia. What is Garcinia Cambogia? It is a small, pumpkin-shaped fruit that grows in Southeast Asia and India. It has a sour taste and is not always eaten fresh. When mature, its color can vary from pale yellow to red, depending on the specific variety. It contains seeds within the pulp, which are generally not consumed. It has a long history of traditional use in cooking and Ayurvedic medicine. However, it wasn't until recently that its weight loss benefits caught the attention of researchers and health enthusiasts. What are its nutritional compositions? It has a relatively low nutritional composition. It provides a modest amount of calories, fiber, and carbohydrates. It is low in fat and protein and is not a significant source of essential vitamins and minerals. Its key component is hydroxycitric acid, HCA, which is believed to be responsible for its potential health benefits. In addition to HCA, it also contains other compounds, such as citric acid. It is a rich source of citric acid, which contributes to its sour taste and may have some health benefits of its own. Polyphenol. It is particularly rich in a type of polyphenol called xanthones. These compounds have been studied for their potential anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. Flavonoids. They are another group of plant compounds that also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please try to do it now and like the video and share it with your friends and family. This can help YouTube show it to more people and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our interesting tips. Let's continue this educational adventure. So what are the health benefits of Garcinia Cambogia? It has gained attention for its potential health benefits, primarily attributed to its active component, hydroxycitric acid, HCA. Here are examples of its health benefits. Aids in weight management. Hydroxycitric acid may help inhibit an enzyme called citrate lyase, which the body uses to produce fat. It may also help suppress appetite and reduce cravings. This may lead to a decreased calorie intake and support weight loss goals. Enhances metabolism. Some research suggests that it may boost metabolism, thereby increasing the rate at which the body burns calories. This can also be beneficial for weight management and overall energy expenditure. Blood sugar regulation. Garcinia Cambogia has the potential to aid in blood sugar regulation, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. It may help improve insulin sensitivity, which can contribute to better blood sugar control and management. Manages cholesterol. It may help improve lipid profiles by reducing total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. These effects may contribute to heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Antioxidant properties. It contains antioxidants that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants also play a crucial role in overall health and may have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Supports digestive health. It has been traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine to support digestive health. It may help promote regular bowel movements and alleviate symptoms of gastrointestinal distress. The fiber content in this fruit can contribute to improved digestion and overall gut health. Enhances mood. It has the potential to enhance mood due to its ability to increase serotonin levels through its active component, HCA, hydroxycitric acid. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that plays a vital role in regulating mood, sleep, and overall well-being. Users of this fruit have reported improved mood and a reduction in symptoms of depression. Regulates blood pressure. Some studies indicated that it may have a positive impact on blood pressure levels. It may help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, thereby reducing the risk of hypertension and associated cardiovascular problems. Additionally, Garcinia Cambogia is used as a flavoring agent in traditional dishes, adding a tangy taste to certain cuisines. It also holds cultural significance in regions where it is native and may be incorporated into traditional rituals and ceremonies. While it may offer potential benefits in these areas, kindly note that more extensive research is needed to establish its effectiveness, determine optimal dosages, and evaluate long-term safety. Additionally, don't forget that individual responses and outcomes may vary due to factors such as individual health, lifestyle, and genetic variations. Garcinia Cambogia supplements. As mentioned earlier, this fruit is rarely consumed raw due to its sour taste. So, it is often available as dietary supplements, primarily in the form of pills, tablets, and liquid extracts. Capsules are the most common form, while liquid extracts can be consumed directly or mixed with water or other beverages. They are often sold for weight loss purposes. What is the recommended dosage? This can vary depending on the concentration of HCA and the specific product. It's crucial to follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer. However, it is advisable to start with a lower dosage to evaluate tolerance and response. The capsules should be taken on an empty stomach, approximately 30 minutes to an hour before a meal. Tips for choosing Garcinia Cambogia supplements. The following tips should serve as a guide whenever you want to purchase these supplements. Opt for quality. Select a supplement from a reputable manufacturer that follows good manufacturing practices. Read labels. Check the product label for standardized HCA content and ensure it meets your desired concentration. Check for additional ingredients. Avoid unnecessary fillers, binders, or artificial additives in the supplement. Third-party testing. Look for supplements that have undergone independent third-party testing for quality and purity. Check customer reviews. Consider customer feedback and reviews to gauge the supplement's effectiveness and quality. Considering these factors and carefully reading product labels will help you make an informed decision when purchasing these supplements. Does it have side effects? When used appropriately, it is generally considered safe for most people. However, the following are common side effects to consider. Digestive issues. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort such as nausea, stomach cramps, diarrhea, or an upset stomach when taking these supplements. These effects are typically mild and temporary. Headache and dizziness. In some cases, it may cause headaches or dizziness. These side effects are generally rare and may be more likely in individuals who are sensitive to the supplement. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some individuals may have an allergic reaction. If you experience symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing, discontinue use and seek medical attention immediately. Special precautions and warnings. To ensure safe and appropriate use, consider the following precautions and warnings. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid using these supplements due to limited information on their safety during these periods. Individuals with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes, liver disease, kidney disease, or psychiatric disorders, should exercise caution when using it. The effects of this product on the liver are still not fully understood, and there is limited scientific evidence available. Some reports have suggested that it caused serious liver damage in some individuals. However, it is still unclear if there were other factors that contributed to these liver issues. If you are diabetic and taking oral hypoglycemic agents or insulin, this supplement may significantly lower your blood glucose levels, which can be dangerous for individuals with diabetes. If you are planning for surgery, It's advisable to discontinue its use at least 2 weeks before undergoing surgery to avoid potential interactions with anesthesia and other medications. While Garcinia Cambogia has been associated with weight loss, remember that it's not a magical solution on its own. To see results, it should be combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. I will take this moment to ask you that if you have not subscribed to the channel, please try to do so now and like the video. This can help us YouTube show it to more people. Also activate the bell so you don't miss any of our videos and share it with your friends and family. We hope you found this video useful and instructive. If you would like us to do a video on any topic about weight loss or nutrition, leave us a message in the comments and we will do it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.